Hi everyone, let's see what you can do if your Windows 11 displays a black wallpaper. To get started, simply search for Control Panel and open it. From here, click on Ease of Access Center. Then click on Make the computer easier to see. From here, uncheck Remove background images and save the change. And this should fix the issue. If it doesn't, then proceed ahead. Simply right click over the desktop and go to Personalize. From here, click on Background, then select a picture and see if this helps resolve the issue or not. If it doesn't, then proceed ahead. Simply search for Task Manager and open it. Now search Explorer. Now right click over Windows Explorer and click on Restart. And this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't resolve the issue, then proceed ahead. Simply search for Device Manager and open it. Now expand Display Adapters and right click over it. Click on Update Driver and update the GPU driver, and this should definitely solve the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.